Suddenly the waterfall picked up again. It almost stopped, and to finish my washing here I had to quickly make a makeshift roof here. I pulled one of these sheets which are not meant for this, but temporarily I put it here. So strange. Doesn't matter actually, I just need to keep working on other things. I have urgent things to do online now, and after I'll finish when I also washed my clothes. But it's quite bothering when it drips right on your head when you have to do things here. So this will help me out for a moment, but that's how it is now.